You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French swimmer. If you want to learn more names from French that are confusing, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We got tons coming up. In French, the pronunciation is as Florent, Florent Manaudou, Manaudou, Florent Manaudou. In English, you can use the pronunciation as Florent Manaudou, Manaudou, Florent Manaudou. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.